大家好，我係小宇蛙人。好耐咧都冇喺 YouTube 咧更新過啲影片啊，因為依大半年啦喺肇慶生活咧都好忙啊。咁大話喺肇慶都生活咗3年多啦，咁其實都習慣咗依度嘅生活啦。咁係最近因為要照顧小朋友嘅關係啦，所以就少咗拍片啊。同埋最近都撞到好多喺香港嚟肇慶生活嘅朋友啊，咁有啲朋友都認得到我啊，蛙人，小宇蛙人你做乜唔更新下個 YouTube 啊？咁因為實在太忙啦，同埋首先都多謝佢哋嘅支持啦，同埋欣賞啦。咁希望嚟緊盡量都抽時間可以拍翻片，同埋咧都俾大家了解啊肇慶呢邊嘅環境啊。如果預備嚟肇慶生活嘅時候，應該注意啲乜嘢啦？咁俾大家睇下我日常生活究竟忙啲乜嘢先。It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here, you can take a break. I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space. With the air like I don't care, baby, by the way. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you wanna do. Here come bad news, talking this and that. Yeah, well give me all you got, don't hold it back. Yeah, well I should probably warn you, I'll be just fine. Yeah, no offense to you, don't waste your time. Here's why. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel. 另外忙緊一樣嘢咧，就係學習緊 AI 啊！大家都知道 AI 而家喺全世界都好火㗎啦。咁喺國內嚟講咧，咁其實已經去到好成熟嘅階段嘅，特別係一啲大城市啦，喺廣州啊、深圳啊，其實我都認識一啲朋友咧，佢哋都開始引入 AI 咧，點樣可以幫到佢哋啲公司去節省資源啊，甚至乎做嘢效率高啲啊。咁其實個成效都好高啊。咁喺肇慶嚟講咧，係屬於2、3線城市啊。暫時 AI 技術咧要揾到嘅一啲培訓中心啦，甚至乎學習嘅途徑係比較少啲嘅，大多數都喺網上嘅。咁我而家都喺網上嗰度學下 AI 啦。咁學到之後，希望點樣可以幫到呢度嘅一啲公司啊，甚至乎一啲NGO 啊，咁樣可以用到 AI 咯。咁都學習階段嘅，都學咗唔係好耐啫，個零2個月啦。咁而家網上途徑都有好多方法可以揾到學習嘅。咁俾大家睇睇我嘅作品，大家千祈唔好笑，係啊，都係好初階嘅階段嘅啫。好，今日咧拍住咁多片俾大家睇住先。 盼望呢將來都繼續拍多啲片俾大家欣賞，多謝支持，拜拜。